we spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much to the new subscribers and the returning subscribers. We really appreciate you, and we thank you so much. The keyboard reactors and those that like our videos, we don't take it for granted. We thank you so much. Today, I want us to look at Jamaica as the icon of the world. And Jamaica has proved beyond any reasonable doubt that they can be the icon of the world. They can be the best in the Caribbean. When it comes to athletics, Jamaica has been on the forefront in all the Caribbean countries to win the gold medals, the silver medals, and the bronze in different Olympics. And it has shown us that it can actually be the icon of the world. People all over the world recognize and appreciate and respect Jamaica for their outstanding performance when it comes to athletics, when it comes to music, when it comes to actually tourism. And that is how we have come to appreciate and actually to know Jamaica. Today, I want us to focus on athletics. Jamaica has proved to the world that they can be the best. They can actually be the great athletes who have shown the world what it means to be the best. They have taught us that you can be small, but you can rule over the world. Their fastest or their fast nature and their ability to conquer giant countries, giant nations in the world athletics, in Olympics, has actually been a very great achievement to the people of Jamaica. They have taught us it doesn't matter the size, it doesn't matter the population, it doesn't matter who you are, you can conquer and rule the world. I listened to Usain Bolt talking about the athletics in Jamaica, and he really inspired me in his beliefs, in his teamwork, in his unity to the people that actually participate in athletics in Jamaica. According to Usain Bolt, it takes a lot of hard work. Of course, we know Jamaicans are hardworking, they're resilient, and they don't give up. And according to Usain Bolt, they put a lot of work in their training so that they can emerge the best. They do not look back. They look at the reward that awaits them, and therefore they work towards that reward. According to Usain Bolt, they know their country is looking upon them to prove to the whole world that they can be the best, to prove to the whole world they are the best, to prove to the whole world they are the fastest, and above all, to make Jamaica proud. So coming from a very small nation, Usain Bolt reiterates, there is a lot of hard work that they have to put to prove to the world they are the fastest, they are the best, and Jamaica is a country that you cannot just joke with. You cannot just tread on. It is a country that believes in success. It's a country that believes in victory. It's a country that works towards the goal. They believe in excellence, and they work towards that excellence. Let us listen to Usain Bolt and hear what he has to say about the athletes in Jamaica and how they have managed to be the fastest people in the whole world. How they have managed to actually surprise the world by their winning each and every time in the Olympics. Let us listen to him, and then I'll come back.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's Usain Bolt here, and let me tell you, we're about to dive into a story about speed, power, and pure Jamaican pride. When it comes to sprinting, Jamaica is not just on the map, we are the map. We've got this legacy, this fire in our hearts that pushes us to outrun, outshine, and become legends. From the moment we burst out of the blocks, the world knows it's a Jamaican storm coming through. We're not just athletes, we're ambassadors for our little island, showing everyone what dedication, hard work, and natural talent can achieve. Get ready to meet the fastest people on the planet. We're talking about the icons, the trailblazers, the ones who made history and inspired generations to come. This is the story of Jamaican sprinters. Now, when you talk about Jamaican sprinting, you gotta start with yours truly. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth every drop of sweat, every ounce of effort. From the early days of training in the heat, to the moments of doubt and the triumphs that followed, it was a path paved with determination and passion. They called me Lightning Bolt for a reason, you know. It wasn't just a nickname, it was a testament to the speed and power I brought to the track. Every race was a chance to prove myself, to show the world what I was made of. Breaking world records wasn't just a dream, it was a habit I picked up. Each time I stepped onto the track, I aimed to push the boundaries of what was possible. The thrill of seeing the clock stop at a new record time was indescribable. 9.58 seconds in the 100 meters, 19.19 in the 200 meters, still untouchable, man. These times weren't just numbers, they were milestones that represented years of hard work, dedication, and an unyielding belief in my abilities. But it wasn't just about the times on the clock, it was about the moments that took my breath away, the connections I made with fans, and the energy that flowed through the stadium. Every cheer, every shout of encouragement fueled my desire to be the best. It was about the energy, the excitement, the way I brought the crowd along for the ride. The atmosphere was electric, and I thrived on it. The fans were my extended family, and their support was a crucial part of my success. 8 Olympic gold medals later, I knew I wasn't just running for myself, I was running for Jamaica, for everyone who dared to dream big. Each medal was a symbol of hope and inspiration, a reminder that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. The feeling of crossing that finish line first, with the Jamaican flag draped around me, hearing the roar of the crowd, man, there's no feeling like it in the world. It was a moment of pure triumph, a culmination of all the sacrifices and efforts that had led me there. It's pure adrenaline, pure joy, pure pride. The rush of emotions that came with each victory was unparalleled. It was a celebration of not just my achievements, but of the spirit and resilience of everyone who supported me. And you know what? That same pride, that same fire, it's in every Jamaican sprinter who steps on that track. We share a bond, a commitment to excellence that drives us to push our limits and strive for greatness. We're a family, a force of nature, and we push each other to be the best in the world. Together, we represent the heart and soul of Jamaican sprinting, a legacy of speed, strength, and unity that continues to inspire future generations. Next up, we got my boy, Johan Blake, aka The Beast. Johan is not just any sprinter, he's a phenomenon in the world of athletics. Known for his explosive speed and incredible work ethic, Johan has carved out a name for himself on the global stage. His journey to the top has been nothing short of inspiring. This guy is a force to be reckoned with. From the moment he steps onto the track, you can feel the intensity and determination radiating from him. His focus is laser sharp and his drive is unparalleled. We trained together, pushed each other to the limit, and he became one of the few people on this planet who can say, "They've beaten me." Our training sessions were legendary, filled with sweat, grit, and mutual respect. Johan's competitive spirit always kept me on my toes. Johan's personal bests are insane. 9.69 in the 100 meters. That's a time that puts him among the fastest men in history. Watching him run is like witnessing poetry in motion, every stride perfectly calculated. And 19.26 in the 200 meters. These times are a testament to his dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence. Johan's ability to maintain such high speeds over different distances is truly remarkable. He's a 2-time Olympic gold medalist, a feat that many athletes can only dream of. His performances on the biggest stage have cemented his legacy as one of the greats. And trust me, he was instrumental in those relay races. His speed and precision during baton handoffs were crucial to our team's success. Johan's presence in the relay team always gave us an edge. When Johan's on your team, you know you've got a real shot at gold. His camaraderie and team spirit uplift everyone around him. He's not just a solo star, he's a team player who knows how to bring out the best in his teammates. He's got this quiet intensity, this laser focus that's unmatched. You can see it in his eyes before every race. He's in the zone, ready to unleash his full potential. And when he explodes out of those blocks, it's like watching a cheetah on the hunt. His start is one of the most powerful and explosive in the sport, giving him an immediate advantage over his competitors. Johan's a true champion, and he's carried the Jamaican flag with pride and honor. His achievements have brought immense pride to our nation, and he continues to inspire the next generation of athletes with his dedication and passion for the sport.
Guys, that is the spirit of a person who has resilient, who have the winning spirit in his mind, in his soul, in his spirit. Usain Bolt has made the world record because of what he talks about. He supports the others to be where he is. And therefore, we have seen great men and women in Jamaica, from Sherry Ann Fraser, Usain Bolt, Sherika Jackson, to Elaine Thompson, to Usain Thompson. Jamaica has never failed to surprise the world. They have proved to us that the young generations in Jamaica can actually look upon them to achieve what the world, or rather to achieve the best, and prove to the world they are the best of the best. And you can see all these great men and women have actually proved time and again that you can conquer the world when you have determination, when you have hard work, when you have the will and the faith and believing in yourself. That is how these people have managed to score gold and silver and bronze throughout the competitions in the whole world. When we look at Sherry Ann Fraser, once again, he surprised the world and actually made Jamaica proud by winning once again in this race that we are going to check. It was a 60 meters race, and Sherry Ann Fraser emerged the winner and broke yet another world record. Let us have a look at her as she breaks the world record, and then I'll come back.
Sherry Ann comes out to decide to run just a one-off race. I'm always interested to see what kind of condition that they're in, and you can imagine right now she's still in that building phase, so she'd be pretty strong in the weights room, and again that's been demonstrated because she fended out the blocks. That's what we expected to see and do, but watch this out of blocks. Good rhythm, isn't she? Hard, straight into that floor. But as I say, there's those little extra technical elements that come over the 100-meter preparation, which you don't really demonstrate over 60. So for me, this is just fantastic to see her enjoying the indoor running and really showing the crowd of her expertise.
That's the contrast. We know that she's a 60-100 sprinter, really. That's where her strength lies. 200, she's very, very good, but perhaps she just starts to get relatively weak. And when you see Hunt again on the replay, you can't see her here, but she was starting to come back into things a little bit. So some are designed for 60s and 100s and others for
Okay. She's based in Portland and she did a great job, so thank you.
Okay, so Shelly,
But of course, I have to big up Shans, that's in Kingston, Waterhouse to be exact. She did my colors, all my colors she did them.
okay, so 1 silver, 1 gold. What's next on your agenda?
The 4x1s, you know, we're really looking forward to it. So we're hoping that the 4 ladies for the heats will have a great run. We're praying that, you know, they carry the stick around, and once they do that and we get to the finals, I'm just praying that we have a good run for that final.
Okay, can you finish this sentence for me? Sometimes I have to.
I hope you have seen the determination, the resilience, the belief, the faith with the people of Jamaica, and this kind of faith, this kind of belief, this kind of excellence, this kind of determination has made Jamaica to always surprise the world, to always prove to the world that they can be the best, that they can be top there when the others are watching. They can actually emerge the best country in the Olympics when it comes to the short distance races. And I want to say it's not an easy achievement. When we look at the kind of country Jamaica is, it has taken a lot of hard work, and we have heard it very clearly from Usain Bolt, and it has taken the desire to make your country proud, the desire to win, the desire to emerge victorious, the desire to prove to the world that it does not matter who you are. You can be the best when you work hard and you have determination. And we have seen Jamaica proving to the whole world that it can emerge the winner, it can emerge victorious, it can conquer giants, it can bring down very great nations when it comes to Olympics. Some of the countries have actually approached Jamaica and they have actually asked for assistance when it comes to these short distance races. Jamaica has sprinted to winning. Jamaica has sprinted to win popularity. Jamaica has sprinted to be respected by the whole world and to actually represent some of the great nations in the world when it comes to Olympics. Some of the great nations in the world, they actually rely on Jamaica to actually win the short distance races. The people who run for them are actually born in Jamaica or they originated in Jamaica. Jamaica have the best genes when it comes to short distance races. When we actually come to know that Jamaicans came from Africa, where they got these great genes to sprint and become the best in the world, we cannot actually be surprised by the kind of win we are experiencing from the people of Jamaica. It was an honor and a great surprise to know that Jamaica can actually be an icon in the whole world. Remember that Jamaica has made history of the Olympics, or rather of the athletics, every year in the whole world. From the early times when Arthur was running to now when Usain Bolt is breaking the record and Sherry Ann Fraser and Kissen Thompson, we can actually say over the decades, Jamaica has proved to be who they are, the best when it comes to short distance races, when it comes to competing, when it comes to winning the races, when it comes to proving to the world that they are the best. Guys, it has become evident that Jamaicans, when it comes to Olympics, they are the best in the Caribbean and they have broken the world record to be recognized by the whole world that Jamaicans can be the fastest people in the whole world. So, mine will be up to there. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.
Thank you.